Now see here, example based on total internal reflection of light. See here, velocity of light in liquid is 1.5 into 10 raised to power 8 meter per second and in air is 3 into 10 raised to power 8 meter per second. If a ray of light passes from liquid into air, calculate the value of critical angle. So, we are given here velocity in liquid is, that is 1.5 into 10 raised to power 8 meter per second. Velocity of light in air is, see that we write with the C, 3 into 10 raised to power 8 meter per second. Now, we have to calculate value of critical angle. So, we know it, mu is equal to 1 upon sin C, where C is critical angle. Mu can be written C upon V is equal to 1 upon sin C. So, here we can write 3 into 10 raised to power 8 divided by 1.5 into 10 raised to power 8 is equal to 1 upon sin C. This and this will get cancelled, it is coming 2 here. So, sin C is equal to 1 upon 2, or we can write C is equal to sin inverse 1, that is inverse 1 upon 2, that is equal to 30 degree. So, in this case value of critical angle is 30 degree.